and the green one. We took the big.
Huh? No, I'm taking video.
You're taking video?
Yep. Say something.
Adiós. Acuérdate, arriba,
en Berlín.
Abajo, al centro, abajo.
Just remember that. Also, you have to
take a video of the metro.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now we are here. We're going down
here,
then here, coming back.
Okay, forget about it. Okay.
Y acuérdate de poner subtítulos.
Yeah. 不要sin 他说 OK. Some Chinese.
Now you have to record yourself doing arriba, abajo.
I will do it.
Arriba, abajo, adentro,
adentro.
So where are you?
We are studying in Sweden, but we are from all over the world. Yeah.
Basically, you have 2 from Spain, 2 from Mexico, and 2 from Asia.
We have a daughter who's 20, and she goes to university we're American, we live in California. She's going to university in Canada, at the University of British Columbia, and she's part of rather than go to study abroad, she's in a cooperative program, work 6 months, go to school 6 months. So her plan is to come to Europe, and they're going to pay her to live in London, she thinks.
Oh.
Very big dream.
But she's a science student. Computer science and biology combined, and so there's an international program that been around for 50 years that puts science working.
That's something similar. Apparently, if you're attached to some form of laboratory work-related thing, and you work with the university.
Exactly. As long as they give
Smile.
her for her program, they get some either money or room and board.
Some form of allowance.
Some form of money. In June, I think she's going to do 3 months with the National Science Foundation in the United States. But she's looking to do something for 6 weeks.
In Europe.
Oh, that's great.
Rather than go to school. Just because her university doesn't have a good program for going to school abroad.
Really?
Yeah, not a big program. In the United
I'm your main
States,
target.
No.
every university has programs.
You cannot try it.
UBC.
Okay.
Are you want to spend all the memory you have left?
No, it's a new card. I can use it all.
UBC is one of the bigger university of Canada.
Oh yeah, it's like the Berkeley.
Sorry.
It's the big science.
It is a big school. I
It's
mean,
40,000 students.
Canada is UBC and U of T, Toronto.
Yes.
Yeah.
But they just don't have
Say something.
a big program. In the United States, everybody goes abroad.
Smile.
And Canada,
Okay, let's finish by this.
I guess some of us